Yes. Money is a new language we all have to learn. You wouldn't expect to carry on a fluent conversation in, let's say, France. Welcome back to the channel IKEMS. Today, we will be talking about why money is so confusing. You see, managing money is an essential life skill we all must possess. Yet, most adults, whether in the US, in Africa, in Asia, Europe, or in the Middle East, would fail a financial literacy test. So what I'm trying to say is this: if you find money confusing, you are not alone. But the reasons you are baffled have more to do with how our brain works than how money works. Understanding some of the common barriers, along with the strategies to cope, could help you finally get a handle on your finances. Money is a new language we all have to learn. You wouldn't expect to carry on a fluent conversation in, let's say, France if you only knew how to speak a few words in French. Similarly, personal finance is loaded with terms, jargons, and concepts that take a while to learn. Entering the world of money is like entering a whole new culture and learning a new language. You shouldn't feel stupid for not understanding everything instantly, and no one should make you feel that way. People with a rigid approach to personal finance may not understand the culture and life experiences that shaped you. They may insist you funnel every possible dollar or money into paying off your debt, or saving for retirement. For instance, you may feel it's important to tithe your money to church or support your elderly parents or one project or the other in your community. Rather than dictating how you should spend your money, helpful advisors meet with people where they are. Figuring out what your values are, what's important to you, and how you make that work within your own financial situation would go a long way in making you understand how money works. Money is emotional for many people. Money evokes strong and often negative emotions. Let's say, for example, if you struggle with managing your finances, you may be so embarrassed that you try to avoid talking or even thinking about money. That's what really stops people from making money progress. They feel ashamed that they don't know, and they feel like they should know. Action is predicated on feeling safe for many of us. In addition, for those who are W-2 earners, some of us are business owners who file 1099. Some do Uber. Some do other type of businesses. Some are content creators as well. Let's talk about those who are employed, who are W-2 earners. You see, in your place of employment, your employer offers what we'll call 401k. For those of us who have banks accounts and credit unions, they also offer free or low-cost financial advice. With money, it is more important to know whom to ask than to have all the answers ourselves. Not everybody needs to be a financial expert, but we have to be frugal when we're spending our money. We have to look at our values and what is important to us, what is our goal. if we bring all this together, it will help us in fashioning or creating our own perspective of money, or learning our own new language of money. You see a lot of billionaires today. In the US, people were like, during the past presidential election, they said, Donald Trump paid 750 charges and tax. But if you look at it the other way, why would I say we want billionaires to pay more? But there are certain loopholes, certain tax incentives that qualify them not to pay taxes. Remember Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He said something. There are different types of people. There are the rich people, and there are the poor people. And then there are taxpayers, who are also known as the middle class. It's left for you to decide which of this group you want to belong to. If you find this video interesting, I will advise, or I will make a plea that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming your way. Don't forget, this is IKEMS.